Hey everybody, John here. I want to make a video on Palantir, and I want to talk about the levels and the moving averages and the RSI. Your RSI is down here on your chart. Here's your volume. So here's the whole entire history of Palantir, right? I put this line here because I think this was sort of significant. This was in November 25th, 2020. I think that's, this is your level from here to here, in my opinion, right? It IPO'd here, and what happened was ARK Invest started buying it up, and it's pretty much an IA company. That's oversimplification what they do, but it's that is what they do pretty much, I guess. So I have these levels here up here on your chart from here to here, right? I think that's significant. A lot of trading here. A lot of I don't know so much that the shares are trading hands as much as the hedge funds keeping it here. In my opinion, over here when they deliberately dumped the NASDAQ, they were trying to shake out people. That's just an opinion, okay? This video is not financial advice. You're responsible for your own account, but we can make observations and share them, right? Technical analysis is a way of looking at charts and levels and what I call manipulation of stock price. Like when they drove it up to 45 here, what do you think? They thought it was worth 45? Well, they're bringing people. They're getting people trapped long. And when they shake you out of your position, when they reverse and they go short, they might make money on the short side. And then they cover. And then they've been in this thing all the way back here. Your hedge funds, because they got so much money, they just collect shares when it's down here. Right? And then when they hold it at this level, that's where they're making money going long and short and trying to shake out people. Right? I don't know the total, like shares outstanding and all like that. I'll leave that for other people. I mostly watch the RSI, and on the daily chart, here, let me move it out here. I watch this yellow line here. That's what I make my 20-day, right? 20-day is home base. So if I was really following the 20-day with my trading, if I was more of an active trader, I could have sold it here. But they're tricksters, If you sell, sometimes they drive it up higher, right? So I'd rather just hold it. I believe, and I made this line here, I made this line here. They're going to trade it in a range and collect shares, right? They go short and long. They collect shares. When they, like here, they dumped everything, drove the price down, and picked up shares. And then drove it back up. They got the money. We don't. They moved the stock price. Look up a video. Let's see if I can bring it up really quick. If you want to know what hedge funds do to drive prices up, let's see if I can bring this up real quick. I'm going to shut it.
Joined again by Jim
right
Cramer.
here.
Jim, welcome.
Look for that one.
Thanks for being here.
He confesses to you that he will throw millions of dollars on a stock to drive the price up to catch people long so that he can short it. Okay? They do that all day long. And most of us retailers, we just hold on for the ride and we accumulate shares, but it ties up our money, and then we get out most of our position. Like Palantir, at some point when I've made enough profit on it, I'll hold 100 shares and then move on to something else, right? So here's your daily candle. I think they call this a doji. It's basically an indecisive candle because you don't have a ton of volume. This was on a Friday, right? A lot of times this is what you'll see on a Friday, and then Monday is when they make their real decision. So if you see a candle like more like this candle back here next to this daily on Monday, then that's an indication from technical analysis that the stock is getting stronger. The price action is getting stronger. It doesn't mean they can't dump it on you again, okay? I like it when it holds the 20-day, this line here, right? That would be around, if it stays above 25, and I mean throughout the day, and closes above 26, and then holds that 26 level, I say that's indicates a bottom to me at 26. All right? So that's just my opinion. This is not financial advice. I kind of like what Palantir is doing here. I like to see it get up to 35 and hold 35. That's what I want to see. That's what a lot of people want to see. Okay? One of the things about this stock is ARK Invest has been accumulating. I can't tell you where they're at today on it. You'll have to go to their website, because what do? They're completely transparent about their trades, and pretty much they are the reason why sentiment is pretty high on Palantir. And if you look at people that make better videos than me, and like Nick Shaheen, they expected this drop right here. They really did, to 20. But my opinion is that's a shakeout, right? Trying to get people out of the position so that when they go long and they drive this thing up higher, they're not carrying you, right? Look at DraftKings chart. You'll see the same thing. They dropped it, tried to get people out, and now it's above 70 when there was people in it at 40 that got shaken out. All right, that's my opinion. It's not financial advice. And this is John signing out. I'm hoping Monday that this will hold above 25. That's a good indication to me. And next week, if they hold above 26, be even better if they hold above 27, then my opinion is that they're getting stronger. I'm in it for the long haul. So are a lot of investors out there. So shaking out may not work for them anymore, the hedge fund guys. So they may want it to be another level, like maybe get in the process of 28 being the bottom, right? Thanks for listening. I appreciate likes. I'm not one of these guys that are making money off of YouTube videos, but that's my video. John signing out.